This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, this is Sadiq. Welcome to the second session for SAP S4Hana 1709 F5 CO plus BPC training. So today's agenda is we will cover we will post a new document with reference to already posted document. We will talk about a sample document or a template. We will discuss hold, park documents, what changes we can make in already posted document, how we can reverse the document. We will talk about the open item management and how we can clear the open document, how we can reverse it, accrual and its reversal. So these are the topics we will cover today. So let's start with the first one. So in the last session, that is session 1, we posted one document. Now today we will post another document with reference to the already posted documents. Okay, so let's go to accounting, financial accounting, journal ledger, document entry. So we were using F-02. So you can use this navigation or you can simply type F-02 to be there. So pick the posting date. I'm choosing today. Go to the document and choose post with reference. Okay. So it's telling me like there is a one document 8, but the company code is a different one. Okay. Let's see how many documents we already have in our company. So let's see that. Go to the documents. Go to FB03. FB03 is a transaction which will show us already posted documents. We will change our company. Our company was HAN1. Okay, so we click here, document list, and here we will be typing SA, because as we seen, like we will using the SA document type to post the journal documents. So we can click 2018. So we have just one document. This one is posted. So let's create a new document where we will create a new document with reference to this. So if you need to go back, you can type /n. It will close this session and open another, and in that session we want F-02. So type that. Okay, so you seen, like once you change a company code, that company code is changed here in this transaction as well. So you don't have to do a lot of work. So you go there, post with reference. So it's telling you now. So there is just one document number, which is document 1. So you use it and you say okay. You seen, like it picked the account, hit enter. So you've seen, like we have all the information here. So if you click on a line, it's tell you, or it's allow you to change the amount. So let's post 5,000 and change this like salary posting using post with reference. Okay, let's save it. Okay, so we need to change this balance as well. Okay, you can click plus here, go to document, you can simulate. So the balance is 0, save it. So another document is posted with this company. So if you want to see the document, you can display this document list, document type, execute. So you have two documents. So we learned like how we can post another document which is very similar to already posted document. Okay, so we covered this. So the next one is to create a sample document, or I can say like to create a template. So you don't want to use the posted documents, but you want to use some template, and you want to create new documents with reference to those sample documents. So let's do that. There is some configuration in order to do the sample document. So let's go to SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide. Go to the financial accounting, go to the global setting, go to the documents, go to the document types, click here, define document types. So let's find out X2. Okay, so X2 is the sample document type. So let's click it. So it's choosing the number range 91. Okay, let's define it. HANA, add one more, 91, 2018. So I would say 1, 2, or I can say like 1 to 1000. Let's try it. Save it. Okay. So it's giving a message like enter the numbers without overlap. So you can start with 1001 to 2000. It's okay. So no more message. It seems it's okay. Okay. Go back. So the sample document type will be X2 and it will be used for assets, customer, vendor, material, GL, and we keep the remainings as it is. So okay, so that's the one setting we have to make. Okay, go back. So if you need to go to the main, so /n. Okay. So the transaction is for the reference document. The transaction is, if you want to create a sample document, the transaction is F-01. So you click here. It's a similar transaction. So it's just entering the current date, 40, salary. Okay, the document type should be SA. We just created the number range for X2. Sorry, for the document type, the type is X2, so we have to choose this. But it's saying like for this company, the X2 number range is missing. So let's go back, /n SPRO reference. So financial accounting, global setting, documents, document types, X2, double click, 91. This is the company. Okay, let's try again. No. So it's assuming like the message is the number range X2 is missing. So X2 is the document type and it's expecting like the number range should be. Let's give a last try. Otherwise, I will fix it and then re-record the. Okay, global setting, documents, range, at X2. So it seems the system is happy now. So we will figure out why we have to create the number range with X2, whereas X2 is the document type. Okay, so sample document T. So for this account, we want the same amount and the same text. So if you choose star and plus and hit enter, you will see the amount and the text from the previous line. So you just, if you click here, so just post Control S. So the document is 2001 is created, and it will not be impacting the account. So it's just a template. So it has no financial impact. Okay. So let's do the post another document F-02. So pick a date, document. So post with reference. Okay. So it's hard to figure out. So you have to remember the document, sample document, the template number. So that's difficult. So how we can figure out like which documents we have, which template documents we have already created. So let's try to find out. So here you see like in the reference documents, we have a change, display changes, delete. So FBM3, click here. So it's telling you like there is just one document, so I fetch that document number from the table, from the system and showing it. But if you want to see the document list, click here and click the document type. The document type is X2. So you click here and you will see like the document is 2001. So that's something you have to remember. So let's do now F-02. So post with reference. So we go to this, post with reference. So here we pick 2001. Here is 2018. Enter. So if you go to the document and say display, that we don't want. F-02. Okay, hit enter. Yeah. So we see like that document is being shown here. If you want to make any changes, let's say the salary is, let's say it's not 500, it's 5,000. Okay, go to the document, you simulate. So you see like you can create a new document using the sample one, and then you can change the amount, you can change the description, and you just hit the button, save. So new document will be posted. If you want to see like how many documents you have in the system now, so for that the transaction is FP03. Click there, document list, and if you click document list and here you say SA and the fiscal year is 2018, execute. So you have two documents, 1 and 2. Okay, if you remove this, we created one document. So the document is like this. And the document type is X2. Okay, post another. Pick a date. Post with the reference. Yeah, that's the problem. So here you have to change to SA again. Hit enter. So the document type is SA. Now here you, if you wish, you can change, make the changes and then post. So next third document will be posted. So that was the mistake, like we were not changing the document type. So if you click FB03 now in the document list, document type is SA, execute, you will see that we have 3 documents now. Okay, so that's something how we can post a new document with reference to already posted document, or how we can create template documents, and how we can post the new documents with reference to the template, and how we can make the changes. So that's something we covered for this sample document. And with this, okay, so let's talk about the hold document. Hold document is you don't have the complete information, and you're waiting for some further information, and but let's assume you have to enter a document with 100 lines, and you have a data for 199 lines, and there is just one line is missing, and you don't want to delay the creation of the document until the last line is being known. So you want to make it ready. So once you get the complete information, so just enter one more line and post it. So that's the objective of holding the document. So let's do it. /n. So type F-02, create a new document, give a date, pick a amount, salary. So it's a salary expense. How much? Let's say 100 US. Okay. So which amount you want to credit? You're not sure. Like it should be cash or it should be bank, and if it's bank, which bank you're going to use it. So this is let's assume like this is something missing, but you enter just one line, and you're waiting for the other. So what you can do, you go to here and you can hold it, just hold it, and it will ask you to give some temporary number. So just give any number. So I'm giving, let's say 1, and I'm pressing this button, hold. So it's saying like document 1 was held. Okay, you exit. So let's assume later on you get the remaining information. What you do, you go back to this F-02, you click the document. There is a get held document. You click here, or you can press F5. So whatever you like. So click here. So it's asking you what's the temporary document number. So you enter 1 here. So you have 1 line. So you can complete it. So credit is, let's assume I'm using the same cash account. That's something known to us. So I'm using the same amount for this line because I'm assuming there are just 2 lines. Plus enter. So the problem is we have not entered the text. Go to the document, you can simulate. Yeah, so we're done. So here you can post it, Control S. So it's saying like the document 4 was posted in the company. And that's it, that's simple. So we covered this. So hold means like you don't have the complete information, but most of the information is available to you and you don't want to keep waiting for the rest. So you want to create a document with as much information as you have and you fill that information. You hold the document. Once you get the remaining information, you keep putting that information. If the information is coming in increments and you want to keep updating it, you can do that as well. So you just put that information and keep the document as hold. And once you have all the information, then you can post it. So that's something holding the document. Okay, so let's come to the next one. That's the park document. So park document means you have a complete document, but you are not going to post it because you need approval on that document from your high ups. Okay, so let's create one park document and then we ask for the approval and let's see how it works. Okay, so for the park document, so in the document entry you see a transaction F-65. So this is will be used to create a parking document. Let's do it. Click here, pick the document date. This is the park document, salary account, enter. Let's take 1000. Salary for August for approval. Credit is cash. Hit enter. And for this cash, we want the same amount and the same description. Hit enter. So if you click here, so on this Control plus S, the document will not be posted. It will be parked. So you click either here, it will be parked, or you can do from here. So it will not. So this save is not equivalent to posting. It's just parking the document. So save it. So it's saying like the document 5 is parked. Okay. Now we want to get the approval for this document. So let's send an email, a notification, or if it's a frequent thing to be done in a business, then a workflow will be configured which will be used for this. So once a Park document is being created by an employee, then that document, the notification is given to his superior, his boss. So then boss will be notified, he can view the document, there will be a link, he can change it and he can approve it and he can reject it, and notification back to the employee will be sent. Okay, so as of now, let's create one simple scenario. So let's send an email. So this is a workspace, the SAP business workspace, where we can create the emails. So send a new message. So let's say document 5 for salary for approval. Kindly view the document and approve. So who will be the recipient? So there are multiple types of recipients. As we move along, we will talk about each of one. But as of now, I will be using the SAP logon name because that's easy. And the SAP logon name is right here, this one. So I type here. Okay. One more thing, let's create another session. One more thing you can say, like which transaction your superior need to use. So let's go to the financial accounting, general ledger, documents, Park documents. Okay, so here we see that there are a lot of transactions, and let's assume your boss is going to post it. So the transaction is FBV0. So let's share this information as well. And send it. Okay, so when your boss log in to here, like this, go to inbox, he will see a message like the kindly view the document and approve use transaction FBV0. So he will go to this FBV0. Company code is HANA. Document number is 5/2018. And if you don't have this information, you can just click here, choose the company code. Here, 2018. Let's try it. So you see the document. This is the document. Okay. So you can approve it. If you want to make some changes, you can do that as well. So let's make some changes. You're saying the salary is not 1,000, it's 800. and you say like approved. Hit enter, go to the next line, 800, say approved, and you can simulate it, or you can post it, or you can say it's complete. So let's post it. So it's saying like the document is being posted. So if you go back and see the path document list, execute, it's saying like there is no path document. So I did it, and then he going to notify you. So he going to inbox this document. He is going to reply, post it with changes, and is going to send it. I'm saying the same person. The document is sent. So if you come here, go to inbox, so you will see like you get the reply of that document that posted with changes. Okay, so if you want to see like is that posted or not, you want to see the documents, the transaction is FP03 document list, and type is SA, execute. So you see like this is the document, salary expense, click here. So the salary expense for August approved. Okay, so that's the some discussion on path documents. So let's talk about the if you post a document and later on you want to make some changes in it. So what type of changes you can make? So let's open one document. Let's click on this pencil. So change. So let's go to the header. So on header, you can make two type of changes. You can type the document header text. So this is changed after posting. And you can type the reference as well. And you hit OK. So the reference will be this is changed. And there is some description as well, which we posted here. Okay, that's the two changes you can make in the header. If you click on this header, the cap, like the document header text and the reference you can change after posting the document. So let's go to one line, click on a line and press this button, details. So you can change the text, let's say this one, and you can change the assignment. Save it. So after posting the document, you will not be able to change the amount and the other stuff. Okay, so let's assume like the document is posted in an error, or the amount is not correct, or you want to make some changes. So how you can do that? So in order to do those things, you have to reverse the document, or in other words, you have to post another document, because in any ERP or in any system, you simply cannot delete the posted document, so that stays there. So how you get rid of the effect of that posted document? So in order to do that, you create another document which will adjust the document as per your requirement. Okay, so that's we talk about this. And next is how we do the reversal of the document. Okay, let's talk about that. Let's go back. So these are the transactions to enter. This is for sample document. These are like to make the changes. Here we see a reverse. So in order to reverse the document, there is a transaction FB08, which will be used to reverse a single document. And there is another transaction, which is F-80, to be used for the mass reversal. So we will talk about both. So let's start with this. So it's asking which document you want to reverse. So I'm going to reverse this document. Okay. So if I click this button, Control S, it will post it. Okay. Let's save it. But it's saying something. Like in this company, the company range 02 is missing for the year 2018. So let's see why we were not able to do the reversal. So let's keep it open and go to this transaction, go to SPRO. Go to financial accounting, go to global setting, go to the document, go to the document type. Let's see the document type which we want to reverse. The document type was SA. Let's display its details. So here we see like when we reversing this document type, there will be another document generated of type AB. And if you go to this type AB, then we have to see what's the number range for this. So AB, click here. So it's a reversal. So we able to get it. Why we getting that message? So Let's see. So the message was number range 02 is missing. So we get the clue why we getting this. So in the document type SA, we define like which document type will be used for its reversal. And for that reversal document type, we need to have to define the number range, which is 02. So let's create a number range for it. Hit this plus button, 02, 2018. Let's start from here. Save it. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Or you rather, you can close it. Okay. Hit enter again. So now you see like the document was posted in company code this. Okay. So what's the type? Let's go to FB03 /n FB03 document list. So we want to see the reverse document. So we click FAB and hit execute. So this is the document 3001. If you click here, so previously the salaries expense was debit, now it's credited, and the cash is not, before it was credit, now it's a debit. And there is a button reversal document. So if you click here, you can see like this is the reversal of which document. So if you click here, you see like this is the reversal of the document number 1. And if you click again, you will see this document. Okay, so if you have a document and you want to create its reversal, so this is the way. Okay, so you reverse it, but later on you came to know like this reversal was not right and the original document was perfectly all right. So what do you do now? Now at this point you want to reverse the reversed document. So how you can do that? You can follow the same methodology. So let's do that. So we go to the same reversal documents. So we want to reverse the document type AB. You click here. This is the document you want to reverse. You save it. And it's done. So another document is created. Okay. Okay. So let's view the document now. So another document is created. Okay. Let's start from the original document which we reversed. This is the document. So if you want to see like this document is reversed by which document, so if you click here, it will show you like that document is reversed by this document. But this document is also being reversed. So if you click again here, so it will show you like this document is being reversed with this document. So if you click here, it will go back and it will show you like this document. But unfortunately, if you click again, it will not lead you the document number 1, but it go back to 3002. Yeah, like this. So that's the way, like if you want to re-reverse the reverse document, so that this is the way which you can do. Okay, so that's the discussion about the document reversal, and it's a re-reversal. So let's discuss this transaction, mass reversal. So if you click here, you give the company code, and here there is a lot of possibilities. So you can give the document range, you can give the fiscal year, let's give 2018 fiscal year. You can give the document type, let's say SA, and you can give the posting date, like those documents which are being posted today. You can do that. There are other possibilities as well. You have to give the reason for reversal, the posting date, and there is a test run. So if you execute here, the documents will not be reversed. So it just shows you the list which documents can be reversed. So it's saying like 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the documents of type SA which can be reversed, and which documents are already being reversed. So this is that document number 1. So the document was already reversed. Okay. Oh, it's reversed. Maybe you can say like this is the document and we create another for the reversal of that, but later on we reverse the reversed one, so it stays there. Okay, I hope you are able to understand this. So if you click here, it will reverse all the documents. But if you don't like, you just want to reverse the document 2 and 5. So you come back and you click here in this way. If you click 2 and 5, then 4 will also be included, but you don't want to. So you click here. I don't know why it's taking too long. I haven't asked the system to do much. Maybe it's the first time. It's executing some programs or something behind the scenes. Okay, while it's doing, let's talk something. So in this session, I know there was some delays, some errors or some issues, but I'm not re-recording it, and I'm keeping as it is because I know like if there are some errors and somebody is fixing it, somebody is struggling to make it work, that's also good to learn and good to see. So Okay, so we want to reverse the document 2 and 4. Execute it. So you see the green small rectangle there. I remove this test run. I click execute and the shortcut is F8. So what it's saying? It's saying like these two documents are being reversed. Okay, go back. Choose the test run. Go here and remove these values. Execute. So run it again. So you see like the documents which are being reversed are 1, 2, and 4, but still you can reverse the document 3 and 5. So this is something to reverse, like if there is a long range of documents which need to be reversed, so you don't have to do one by one. So that's something you can do it just by a few clicks. Okay. So we discussed this document reversal. So let's talk about the open item management. Open item management means like you have some payable, outstanding payable, and you want like the system should let you know like there is something which is payable, so you may be alerted by this. So how you can do that? So let's go to FS00, which is the transaction. Sorry, FS00, which is the transaction to create the accounts, GL accounts. So as we seen, like you can see in hierarchy as well. So I'm saying like display in hierarchy. So we will be able to see all the accounts. So let's refresh this /nfs00. It will reload it. And here we see the accounts. Let's copy this account salary one and create a new one. Copy. I'm saying it's a liability. So let's assume it's 2000. The same company. Okay. And this is, I'm saying this is the balance sheet. And this is let's assume it's a general ledger account. And here I'm saying expenses, outstanding. So expenses outstanding means like we received the services, but we haven't paid for those services so far. So this is payable, or it's accrual, or you can call it whatever you want. Go to here. Now you go to the control data. So there is a open item management. So this is with the liabilities. So you click it here. That's a change we have on it. So by clicking this, the transactions made to this GL will be marked as open, and they will show you a different behavior. We will see it. So let's save it. Go back, /n, the quick way. So let's post one document. So as you see like navigation taking some time, but you remember the transactions. So the transaction to post a general document is f-02 /n f-02. Let's mark this date. Salary expense. I'm saying salary expense is $50. Salary expense not paid. Credit will be, I'm using this one. Expenses not paid. Expenses outstanding. So okay, let's save it. So the document 6 is posted. So we want to see like how this document is different from the other. There is a transaction FBL03 FBL3. Okay, so FBL3 or 3N, here you see the transaction FBL3N. Okay, so it's bringing the account like this is because the line item display, and you want to see the open item, open account. So you just choose a account, and if you want to see all the accounts, you remove it. So here you want to see the open items or the cleared item or all items. So it's all up to you. But here I want to see the open item, so you keep it checked and execute it. And you will see like there's just one document which is we recently just posted, number 6, showing like $50 is open. So you have to pay it. So if you click here and if you choose like all items and you execute it, you will see like there is none. There is no document. So why you like it's not showing you the documents which we posted earlier, like one is reversed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have a list of documents, but those are not being shown here. So here in this transaction, only those documents are being shown on which the open line item management is activated. So that's something to keep in mind. Okay, so this report is showing us or alarming us like $50 yet has to be paid. So let's make the payment. So how we can do that? We go back and there is a transaction. So okay, so we done with this. We done with the sample. We done with reference. We done with bug documents. We close this. We done this part document as well. Okay. There is a transaction we see here, F-06, which is incoming payments, like the payments which are receiving. This is the outgoing payments. So there was some outstanding expense and we want to pay. So the transaction is F-07, F-07, just execute it. Okay. So here we need to, the document date is this one. Document number we have to pick. So what's the document number? That we need to see. Let's open another session. So which documents, for which document we have to pay? So you can go FBL3. Again, execute it. So the document number is 6. So the document number is 6. And account, the bank account, no, where you're going to pay. So we saying like we paying in cash. How much amount? 50. Okay. So which account is for the open item? So this is the outstanding expense. So that you have to choose. Hit enter. So it's saying like numbering 15 is missing. So you have to choose this SA. We posting a document with this. So it's saying like, so it's saying like don't enter the document number. So we click here. So it's giving some message. So let's try to fix this message as well. So let's type SAP. So it's saying like some tolerance group is missing. Let's see. So tolerances group for GL information. So we get some clue. So let's go back. Let's go to SPRO. Let's talk about the tolerance group. So go to financial accounting. Global setting. documents, tolerance group. So that we find that tolerance group for this. We already defined it. That's OBA4. So we just assign the blank. So if you're not giving a tolerance group, it means it's blank. So we created the blank one. The like we did some research. So they're saying like we need to create a named one as well. So let's try without creating another one. So let's do it. So let's come back again. So it's insisting like we should do this. So we have the blank and we have the named one. Let's see. Let's start again. It's saying like it's still missing. Okay, let's do some more exploration. OBA0. Let's assume 10% and 10%. So this time it seems like it's working. So when you're clearing it, there are three types of clearing. One is standard, the other is partial, the third one is residual. So we will talk about all. So let's talk about the standard one first. Standard means you have to pay able 50, you're paying it in full. So let's do it. So we're going to save it. So it's saying like amount entered is 50, assigned is 50. So nothing is left. So we just do it. So the document 7 is posted. So let's go back and see FBL3. Click here. So there is nothing open. So if you click the all documents, then you will see like the document number 6 was cleared with the document number 7 with the amount 50. So nothing is in red. So everything is cleared. So that's something the open item management. So if there is an open item, that will be shown in red. And once you make the payment, it will be by another document and it will be green as we seen just now. Okay, so let's talk about the partial and residual clearing. Okay. Okay, this is the payment. So how we created this document? So let's create another document. Let's say 50,000. Salary may be paid in installments. And the credit is my outstanding. So I'm choosing this plus, hit enter, simulate to 50,000, just post it. The document is 8 is created. Let's see it. I'm saying only the open one. Okay, so you see like there is a one open document now of amount 50,000. Let's make payment for this. And the transaction to make payment is F-07. Document date. This is the bank account. 50,000 we have to pay. I'm paying just 40,000. Document type I'm choosing SA. And this is the open item account. Hit enter. Okay. So here it's showing like the amount which we entered just right now in the previous screen was 40,000, whereas we have to pay 50,000. So there is 10,000 left so far. Okay, so but we want to pay in partial. So go to this partial, and here you see, like this is 50,000, this is 50,000. It's saying there is some difference. So if you click here, it becomes, if you click here at 40, if you click again, it becomes 50. So we be saying like we just want to pay 40 only, and we just hit the save button. So the document 9 is being created. So let's see that document. Control N AP03 document 9 we want to see. So this is the document, like cash is 40, which is being paid, and expenses outstanding, which was being in credit, now it's debited. Okay, CFPL3 enter. Okay, so see here, like we have the 50,000 amount still open, 40,000 which is being debited, that's again open, and 10,000 is still open. So the balance is open. So everything is open. So nothing is being closed. Okay. So let's assume after a few days we again paid this 10,000. So then what happens? So let's do that again. Let's pay the remaining 10,000 as well. So the transaction is F-07. So we saying this account is paying cash, amount is 10,000, text is remaining final amount, account is this, hit enter, correct the document type, go to the partial. So it's showing like 50,000 you already paid, 40,000 you already paid, 50 you have to pay. So there is a 10,000. So the amount entered is 10,000. Assigned is 10,000. So nothing is left. So you just save it, and then there is a document 10 is being posted. So you go back, go to this transaction, see all items, click here. So from here you see like the document was 850,000 which we have to pay, which was negative, and this document is being cleared by the document number 10, where we paid the 10,000, and 9 is also being cleared by the document number 10. So all your open documents will be cleared by your final documents. So that's the illustration of the partial payment. So let's talk about the residual. So let's create another new document. Let's assume amount is again 50,000, or maybe you can make it 25,000. So we can easily figure out this. Credit is your outstanding. We are not paying from cash. Click enter, choose the same amount, same description. So there is no save it. So the document 11 is being created. So let's see it. So the open document is 11 for 25,000. So let's clear it. So the transaction code is F-07. Document date, document type, account. So 25,000 we have to pay. Let's pay 20,000. Hit enter. Okay, let's go to the third tab, residual items. So here it's saying like 25,000 you have to pay and the amount you entered is 20. So assigned is nothing. So if you double click here, it's saying 20,000. Double click. Or if you click here and choose this F2, it will do the same. Click, choose, it will assign it. Or if you click F2, it's doing the same thing. So we be saying like 20,000 it's being paid. So if we save it, the document 12 is being generated. Let's see the document. Document number is 12. Click here. So 20,000 we paid. Let's go to this transaction. See all. Let's see. So the document number was 12. 25,000 we have to pay. But it's showing like 20,000 is debited. It's open. So it's cleared the by this 12 document. So you see like the document 11 is being cleared by 12, where 12 is payable 20,000. So it's 25,000, here it's 20,000. So what the system is doing, so when you're using the residual method, it knock off the previous document, the amount altogether. And with the remaining rest amount, it will create another open document. So that's something regarding the open item management. And there is once you have a clearing document, and then if you want to reverse it, how you can do that? So in order to do that, you go back. There is a reverse. So this is the transaction FBRA, reset cleared item. So if you click here, so it's saying like 12 is a cleared item. Do you want to click it? And then you click this save. So it's saying like it's only you want to reset or you want to reset and reverse. So I think it's already being a too long session. So I will postpone this and we will resume from here, and we will complete the next agenda where we will talk about the this clearing open document and reversal of the clearing document and accrual and its reversal. So thank you very much for staying with me. So I know the quality of these sessions are not up to that mark. So I will improve the quality, and I hope you will get something out of it. And I will keep doing this, and I expect the same from you. So learning is bit by bit. If you expect just by spending few hours or few minutes, you will be master of something. So that's maybe possible for some person, but generally that's not true. So learning is by bit. So sometime you learn from the mistakes of others. So if I'm doing some mistakes, I'm not editing the recordings. I keep them everything original. So and these sessions are just I'm recording in just one sitting. So you know what's happening and where I went right, where I went wrong. So I need your encouragement and your feedback. So I should keep moving, and I hope we all learn many things. So thank you very much for staying with me and watching the video. See you in the third session. We will resume with the reversal of the clearing document. We will talk about again regarding the clearing of open documents, specifically with the residual method and then accrual, and we add some more topics in the next session. So bye.